Life is never one straight line, but I think you already know that. Our experience the past few years in this global pandemic has shown us just how quickly things can change, how quickly what we expected can turn into something unexpected.
That's absolutely true. And the hard part really is that many people struggle to let go of those expectations and prepare us for the many incredible opportunities that we can have access to. But first you have to know that they exist. Then you can create goals and strategies to help you get there.
One of my favorite quotes is from an author whose name is William Gibson. He says, "The future is here, it just isn't evenly distributed." You'll quickly learn that I love quotes. So what does William Gibson mean when he says that? Well, he means that some people understand how the world is changing and what they can do now to begin preparing to be a part of that change. And other people don't. Let me give you an example. I graduated from college in 2007 and I started as a high school history teacher. Now, a few months after I graduated, we entered a global recession. From people losing their homes to people losing their jobs, it was a really difficult time. And I really struggled. I was bouncing from one job to the next and just really confused. I had gone to school, I had gotten the good grades, I went to college, I even did my master's and did all the things that people told me would help me have stability after graduation. But you know what I noticed was also happening in 2007? Apple launched the iPhone. Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube were all being introduced to everyone. We were seeing things like more AI and Airbnb had just launched. So I began thinking, why were some people launching new products and starting businesses that today we couldn't even imagine living without, and others, like me, struggling to even adapt? It's because, as William Gibson says, the future's here, it just wasn't evenly distributed. Some people knew how to be prepared and understood the trends that were going to be shaping our lives. Those who didn't struggled to adapt. Michael, what are some of the emerging global trends that we're seeing that our students should be concerned about?
Climate change, social justice, NFTs, AR, VR, crypto, metaverse. What would you add to the list? Think about the different social and technological issues in your world. Are you exploring these in school? Are you exploring these outside of school? Are you wondering how you can get involved? Are there things you wish you could create? Now is the time to start thinking about what makes you excited about your future. What challenges in the world are you curious about? What is exciting about the world that you want to learn more about? While no one can tell us what the future will bring, we can identify trends and learn mindsets that allow us to be comfortable through change, the skills to confidently adapt to different situations, and an online presence with a network of people to help us stay informed and identify opportunities for ourselves. Whether you know exactly what you want to do after high school, or whether you're still deciding, strengthening your mindset will allow you to radiate confidence through your words and actions, helping you learn what makes you unique so that you can showcase that in every situation. So how do we do this, Saba?
We do this by teaching you the 4 pillars of designing your future. The first one is self-awareness, learning your strengths, your skills, and how your thoughts and feelings impact your actions. A mindset that knows how to navigate the ups and downs of life will help you get through anything and everything. The second area we're going to look at is strategic goal setting. A goal without a plan is just a wish. It's not enough to just say what you want to do. You have to write it down, you have to visualize it, and then come up with a detailed plan. The third area we're going to look at is building professional networks. In addition to the people that we know, we can also make connections to people that we don't know using the internet. Now, you might be using social media personally. However, using it as a student and a professional are very different. And we're going to show you how to understand these differences so that you can use it in the right way. And the last area we're going to look at in this course is content creation. You probably watch the many things that others are creating, and guess what? You can too. This is your opportunity to showcase your skills and what you can do beyond what's written on a 2 to 3 page application, an 8.5 by 11 resume, or whatever your grades and test scores say about you.
The course starts with a short overview of each of these pillars. From there, we'll move into specific exercises that will take you deeper into each pillar. Each exercise will have a video that walks you through what to do step by step. We'll also have examples that you can use.
We're so proud of you for investing in yourselves and taking this step towards designing your future. and we're here to support you every step of the way. You can connect with us online and feel free to ask for advice, for feedback, and share any questions that come up for you along the way.